Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Understanding and resolving the binding element children implicitly has an any type error in TypeScript. This error, binding element children implicitly has an any type, is a common hurdle when working with React components and TypeScript. It signifies that the type of the children property you're destructuring from the component's props is not explicitly defined, and TypeScript, by default, infers it as any. While any bypasses type checking, it defeats the purpose of using TypeScript, leading to potential runtime errors and a less robust code base. This tutorial aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of this error, exploring its causes, consequences, and various solutions, supported by code examples and best practices. 1. What does binding element children implicitly has an any type mean? Let's break down the error message. Binding element children this refers to the children property being extracted, or destructured, from a larger object, usually the component's props. Implicitly has an any type. TypeScript infers the type of children as any because you haven't explicitly told it what type children should be. Any type this is a special type in TypeScript that effectively disables type checking for that variable. TypeScript will allow any value to be assigned to a variable of type any, and you can call any method on it without TypeScript complaining. 2. Why is TypeScript inferring any? TypeScript's type inference system tries to automatically determine the types of variables based on how they're used. However, when dealing with React components, especially with children, the inference can fail for a few reasons. Missing type definition for props. The most common reason is the lack of a properly defined interface or type alias for the component's props. If TypeScript doesn't know what properties a component expects, it can't determine the type of children. Implicit any flag in xconfig.json the xconfig.json file, which configures your TypeScript project, might have settings that allow implicit any types. This is generally discouraged. Incorrectly typed parent component if the parent component passing the children prop isn't correctly typed, TypeScript might struggle to infer the type correctly. React fragments or null/undefined rendering sometimes, the content passed as children might be a React fragment, null, or undefined. If your type definition doesn't account for these possibilities, you might still encounter the issue. 3. Why is any a problem? Using any is problematic because it undermines the core benefits of TypeScript. Loss of type safety. Any essentially turns off type checking, allowing you to pass incorrect data types or call non-existent methods. This can lead to runtime errors that could have been prevented with proper typing. Reduced code maintainability. Code that relies heavily on any becomes harder to understand and refactor. You lose the ability to rely on TypeScript's compiler to catch potential errors during development. Poor code completion and IDE support. Your IDE won't be able to provide accurate code completion or error highlighting for variables typed as any. Increased risk of runtime errors. The whole point of TypeScript is to catch errors before they occur at runtime. Using any throws away that advantage. 4. Solutions and code examples. The key to resolving the binding element children implicitly has an any type error is to explicitly define the type of the children prop. Here are the most common and effective solutions. 4.1. Defining a component props interface/type. This is the recommended approach for most React components. You create an interface or type alias that describes the shape of your component's props, including the children property. Explanation **** import React node from React, this imports the React node type from the React library. React node is a type that represents anything that can be rendered in React: strings, numbers, elements, fragments, and even null or undefined. Asterisk interface myComponent props, this defines an interface named myComponent props. Asterisk title, string, this specifies that the component accepts a title prop of type string. Asterisk children, React node, this explicitly types the children prop as React node. This is the crucial part. Asterisk react.fc myComponent props, this uses react.fc, functional component, from React and provides the myComponent props interface as a generic type argument. This tells TypeScript that the component is a functional component and that its props should conform to the myComponent props interface. This provides type checking when the component is used. Usage example asterisk. Benefits of this approach asterisk. Asterisk explicit typing asterisk you're explicitly telling TypeScript what the children prop should be. Asterisk type safety asterisk TypeScript will now enforce that the children prop passed to myComponent is a valid React node. Asterisk IDE support asterisk your IDE will provide better code completion and error checking. Asterisk readability asterisk the code becomes easier to understand and maintain. Variations of children type asterisk. Asterisk React node, most common handles the widest range of possible values for children. Asterisk React element asterisk specifies that children must be a single React element, example div / my other component /. Asterisk React element asterisk specifies that children must be an array of React elements. Asterisk string asterisk specifies that children must be a string. Useful when the component is expected to display simple text. Asterisk number asterisk specifies that children must be a number. Asterisk JSX.element asterisk equivalent to React element. Choosing the right type asterisk. Select the most specific type that accurately reflects the kind of content your component expects for the children prop. Using React node is generally a good default unless you have a specific requirement. 4.2. Using React.props with children, or props with children from @type/React. React.props with children is a utility type provided by React that automatically adds the children property to your existing props interface/type. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk props with children myComponent props, this takes your existing myComponent props interface and adds a children, React node property to it. It's a shorthand way of defining the children type. Benefits asterisk. Asterisk concise asterisk reduces boilerplate code by automatically adding the children property. Asterisk readability asterisk can make the code slightly cleaner when you only need to add children to an existing props type. 4.3. Destructuring with explicit type assertion, less recommended. While generally not preferred, you can use a type assertion to tell TypeScript the type of children during destructuring. This is usually a sign that your component typing needs improvement, but it can be a quick fix in some cases. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk children as React.React node, this is a type assertion. You're telling TypeScript to treat children as if it's of type React.React node. This silences the error but doesn't actually solve the underlying problem. Why this is less recommended asterisk. Asterisk type safety hole asterisk you're essentially bypassing TypeScript's type checking. If children is not actually a React node at runtime, you could still encounter an error. Asterisk less readable asterisk type assertions can make the code harder to understand. Asterisk indicates a missing type definition asterisk usually, a type assertion means you should be defining a proper interface/type for your component's props instead. When to use this? Rarely. Asterisk quick fix asterisk as a temporary workaround while you're refactoring your code to use proper type definitions. Asterisk uncontrollable code asterisk when working with code where you cannot easily change the type definitions of the props being passed to your component. This is rare and usually indicates a design problem. 4.4. Using the optional chaining operator. Sad face. If you aren't sure if the children prop will always be passed, and you want to avoid potential errors when it's missing, you can use the optional chaining operator. Along with the nullish coalescing operator. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk children, React node, this declares that the children property is optional in the myComponentProps interface. Asterisk children. No children provided. This uses the nullish coalescing operator. It checks if children is null or undefined. If it is, the expression evaluates to no children provided. Otherwise, it evaluates to the value of children. Asterisk children. Something, not shown in example, but relevant. The optional chaining operator can be used to access properties of the children, but if children is null or undefined, the entire expression will evaluate to undefined, preventing errors. Benefits asterisk. Asterisk handles optional children asterisk gracefully handles cases where the children prop is not passed to the component. Asterisk prevents errors asterisk avoids runtime errors when trying to access or render a missing children prop. 5. Checking your xconfig.json. Ensure that your xconfig.json file is configured correctly to enforce stricter type checking. Look for the following settings. Asterisk strict, true, this enables all strict type checking options. Asterisk no implicit any, true, this is the most important setting for this error. It will cause TypeScript to raise an error whenever it infers an any type. Make sure this is set to true. 6. Reviewing parent component typing. If the error persists even after defining the props interface and checking your xconfig.json, examine the parent component that is passing the children prop. Make sure its props are also correctly typed, especially the content being passed as children. A type mismatch in the parent component can propagate and cause issues in the child component. 7. Handling different types of children. Sometimes, you need to handle different types of content for the children prop. For example, you might want to allow both single elements and arrays of elements. In such cases, you can use union types. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk children, React node React element, this specifies that children can be either a React node, a single React element, or an array of React elements. The symbol represents a union type, meaning the variable can be one of the specified types. 8. Dealing with advanced scenarios. In more complex scenarios, you might need to use more advanced TypeScript features like generics or conditional types to accurately type the children prop. These are beyond the scope of this introductory tutorial but are important to be aware of for advanced React and TypeScript development. Key takeaways. Asterisk always define a props interface /type asterisk explicitly define the shape of your component's props, including the children property. Asterisk use React node for the most flexible children type asterisk unless you have specific requirements, React node is a good default. Asterisk check your xconfig.json asterisk ensure that no implicit any is set to true to enforce stricter type checking. Asterisk review parent component typing asterisk make sure the parent component that is passing the children prop is also correctly typed. Asterisk avoid type assertions as a primary solution asterisk type assertions can silence the error but don't fix the underlying problem. Use them sparingly as temporary workarounds. Understand the trade-offs. Choose the most appropriate type for children based on the specific requirements of your component. Overly restrictive types can limit the flexibility of your component, while overly permissive types can reduce type safety. By following these guidelines and examples, you can effectively resolve the binding element children implicitly has an any type error and write more robust and maintainable React components with TypeScript. Remember that investing time in proper type definitions will pay off in the long run by preventing runtime errors and improving the overall quality of your code base.